Welcome to Hacker Hacks, where we uncover the latest cyber threats, breaches, and security developments. In today's episode, we'll dive into a major Kubernetes vulnerability, a cybersecurity scare at KLIA, a Next.js flaw, and Oracle's alleged cloud breach. We'll also discuss Microsoft's AI-driven security tools, cyber attacks on the UAE, and India's response to claims of a drone hack. Stay tuned for expert insights on these critical security events. Critical vulnerability set ingress nightmare affects the ingress nginx controller for Kubernetes, enabling unauthenticated remote code execution and exposing 6,500 plus clusters. The flaws: CVE 2025 24513, CVE 2025 24514, CVE 2025 1097, CVE 2025 1098, CVE 2025 1974, allow attackers to inject malicious configurations via the admission controller, potentially leading to full cluster takeover. The vulnerabilities stem from insecure network access and misconfigured Nginx settings. Kubernetes has released patches v1.12.1, 1.11.5, 10.7, urging users to update, immediately restrict API access, and disable the admission controller if not needed. Malaysia Airports Holdings BHD and the National Cybersecurity Agency confirmed a cybersecurity threat at KL International Airport on March 23rd following PM Anwar Ibrahim's revelation. The attack targeted certain systems, but airport operations remained unaffected. Investigations began immediately with CAM notified. NACSA assured continued monitoring, while MAHBIS MD Datuk Mod Izani Ghani emphasized ensuring flight and passenger operations run smoothly. Anwar disclosed that hackers demanded $10 million, but the government refused to comply, stressing the need for stronger cybersecurity measures in Malaysia. Researchers have discovered a critical vulnerability, CVE 2025-29927, in Next.js, allowing attackers to bypass authorization in middleware. Verkel patched the flaw in Next.js February 3rd, 15 on March 18th, and issued a security advisory on March 21st. The vulnerability, reported by researchers Alam Rachid and Alam Yasser, has a CVSS score of 9.1 and affects self-hosted Next.js applications using middleware for security checks. Attackers could exploit it to bypass authentication, access restricted areas, and cause cache poisoning. While no active exploits are known, concerns arose over Vercel's delayed disclosure. Vercel CISO acknowledged communication shortcomings and pledged improvements in future security updates. Oracle denies claims by CloudSec that a hacker stole 6M records via a WebLogic zero-day flaw affecting Oracle Cloud. CloudSec reported the breach on March 21st, citing leaked data on breach forums, including SSO passwords and key files. The hacker, Rose 87168, is allegedly demanding ransoms. Oracle refuted the claims on March 24th, stating no breach occurred. CloudSec countered with more evidence asserting that login.us2.oraclecloud.com was compromised. If true, the breach could be a major cloud security incident. Experts urge affected users to reset passwords and enforce stronger authentication. Microsoft is launching 11 AI agents in Security Copilot to automate cybersecurity tasks and reduce analyst burnout. 6 agents are from Microsoft, while 5 come from partners like OneTrust and Tanium. These agents handle tasks like phishing detection and regulatory notifications with customizable autonomy levels. Users can review and override decisions to improve accuracy. The move addresses workforce shortages and demand for AI-driven efficiency. Microsoft's AI Red Team tested the agents for security risks. More agents are expected soon, responding to customer needs for greater automation in cybersecurity operations. The Indian Army has denied claims from a social media post alleging that China hacked one of its remotely piloted aircraft near the eastern border. The Army clarified that no such incident occurred and urged media and social media users to avoid spreading unverified and misleading content. The statement emphasized the Army's commitment to maintaining the security and operational integrity of its assets. It also warned against misinformation that could cause unnecessary panic among the public. Dr. Mohammed Al-Kuwaiti, head of cybersecurity for the UAE government, confirmed that the threat actor, Rose 87,168, claimed responsibility for breaching Oracle Cloud's SSO and LDAP, leaking around 6 million customer records worldwide. Approximately 140000 entities may be affected, including 634 in the UAE, 30 government, 13 private, and others. In response, the UAE Cybersecurity Council activated emergency cyber systems to protect national cyberspace. The Council urged institutions to enhance cybersecurity defenses, remain vigilant, and report any suspicious activity to counter evolving cyber threats and fraud techniques. That's it for this episode of Hacker Hacks. Cyber threats are evolving rapidly, and staying informed is key to defense. Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of cybersecurity. Until next time, stay safe and stay secure.